Recovery is one of the hardest journeys a person can take because it doesn't just test your body, it tests your mind, your spirit, and your will to keep moving forward. Whether it's addiction recovery, mental health recovery, or even financial recovery after debt, the path is never easy, but it is always worth it. When people hear the word recovery, they often imagine starting over. But recovery isn't about starting from zero. It's about building stronger than before. In addiction recovery programs, for example, individuals learn not only how to live without substances, but how to rediscover who they are, rebuild relationships, and reclaim their future. The same applies to mental health recovery, where therapy, counseling, and support groups provide the foundation for people to find balance, peace, and strength again. Financial struggles are another form of recovery. Millions face the challenge of debt recovery or rebuilding credit after setbacks. Through debt consolidation plans, recovery programs, and financial counseling, people learn how to manage money, lower stress, and move toward financial freedom. Recovery here isn't just about fixing numbers, it's about regaining confidence and control over life. Physical health has its own recovery path too. After surgery, illness, or injury, rehabilitation centers and recovery treatment programs help people rebuild strength and independence. With the right care, patience, and persistence, recovery can turn pain into progress. No matter the type, addiction, mental, financial, or physical, every recovery story has one thing in common. It's powered by resilience. It's not the setbacks that define us, but the courage to rise again. Recovery isn't a finish line you cross once. It's a commitment, a daily decision, a promise to yourself that tomorrow can be better than today. If you or someone you know is on the road to recovery, remember this: you are not alone. There are recovery centers, support groups, treatment programs, and professional services designed to guide you every step of the way. But most importantly, recovery begins within you, with the choice to keep moving forward no matter how many times you've fallen back. Recovery is more than healing, it's transformation. And the moment you decide to rise again, you've already begun.